Alright, good afternoon. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you. In the Breaking Weather Center, we have another severe thunderstorm warning in place. Alright, we just have a tornado warning has just been issued, so we gotta have to switch gears here. So we have a tornado warning, folks. So what we're gonna do, so hold tight just for a second, and I'm going to just keep it here for a minute. Alright, folks, we're going to have to switch gear. We have a tornado warning, so let's drill into this. Alright, north central Clark County and south central Arkansas, central Pike County and south central Arkansas, north central Montgomery County and western Arkansas into 3 o'clock. At 2:13, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Murphyville, Murphyson, Minnesota, 20 miles an hour. Hazardous tornado. This is a radar. Focus is a radar indicated tornado. We do not have a tornado on the ground right now. But this is a radar indicated tornado. So we'll zoom in here, and I'll change velocity. And it does have a decent couplet there, so we could be getting a possible tornado right there, folks. So if you're in the tornado warning now, now's the time to seek shelter. Go to the lowest floor of your home. Make sure you have a mattress between you. Put many walls between you as possible. Make sure you have a helmet on your head, just because just in case this produces flying debris. This is a tornado warning that goes in effect into 3 o'clock. So let's zoom in here, and that is tightened up a little bit. So if you live in Pike City, now's the time to seek shelter. Get centered, get covered, go to the lowest floor of your home. A basement is going to be the safest place to be in right now in this type of event. This is a tornado warning, folks. So we came on about, hold on just a second. Folks, we came on about 1 o'clock to, well, let's see, I came on about 1:20, and just for a quick update, and now we have a tornado warning in process. So once we have a tornado warning in process, we have to stay with this. So just letting you know. So let's just got a message here, so hold on a second. So if you're just joining me about almost 1 o'clock to 2 p.m., we have a tornado warning process. Looking at the hail potentially. There could be some hail with this tornado warning, but it looks like it's in effect to around, so we'll switch back here to let it animate. Very large hail with the storm, and this is in Arkansas. So if you in Pike City or in Romeboro area, let's see, Edmonton area, or Appleton Pine area, you need to be taking cover. Get under a tornado warning now. Now it's time to seek shelter in a basement. Let's see what we got here for our. Let's see if we have any debris with this, folks. I'm not noticing any blue color, but it's still, we have to watch the tornado warning process. So this is why we're continuing to watch that. So tornado warning goes into effect about 3 o'clock. The reason why we broke in is mainly for a couple of the reports coming in, the main threat. That's why we broke in. So right now, we'll do this here, and I'm going to read some of the reports off to you. We mainly broke into that. So let me switch back here for a second. We had a handful of pine trees, and has been blocking 185 block off the SH 4th Street. So we getting report the trees been down again. We got reports of trees across USA 59 down here. This is in parts of Texas. And I'm starting to get more trees down on 149 Eastern Louisville. And I'm just starting to get more trees down again on CR 25. So folks, this line of storm is capable of producing lots of trees down. And this is why we are breaking in, because we had a tornado warning in place now, so we have to switch gears here. Looking at our velocity, and you can just see if you live in that polygon, now it's time to get centered, get covered, go to the lowest floor of your building. Make sure you have a mattress between you, and protect yourself from flying debris. So right now, it's about 1:30 this afternoon. No, take that back, 2:20 this afternoon, and we're on the air. It's because we have a tornado warning, and we try to stay with tornado warnings as possible. But this is a radar indicated tornado right now, so we want to kind of keep this updated the best we can. Let me check Facebook here while we're on and see if we have any damage reports yet coming in, because normally we don't have any. If not, we want to send things back, because I'm reading here. Alright, just looking here. New severe thunderstorm warning for Louisiana. Looks like we'll take a look at that just in a second. I'm just checking here while we're on. If you just joined me, we have more warnings in place. Severe thunderstorm warning has just got issued down here in parts of Jackson County, Jackson, Mississippi, Central Carbon County, and North Central Mississippi, North Central Jefferson County, and South Central Mississippi to 3:15. At 2:23, a severe thunderstorm located over Lowman, or 26 miles northeast of Nats, Mooney's around north around 30 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles of wind gusts and quarter-size hail. So this storm is still capable of producing some damage and straight-line winds. You could get some strong winds with that. It's more capability of hail. And so let me take a look at the hail threat. Don't look too bad on that. Maybe the warning has got canceled or something, or we... Alright, new warnings. Severe thunderstorm warnings are continuing right now. Getting some rain in Missouri, just a bunch. 2.3. We'll take a look at that just in a second. Tornado warning in process here. It still goes through about 3 o'clock. So far, it's not having any confirmed report of any tornado on the ground or anything. So that is some good news. We don't have no tornado on the ground. Still decent rotation with it though. So if you're in that area, now's the time to seek shelter immediately, folks. Go to the lowest floor of the building. Make sure you put a mattress between you. And these are just sails are popping up right now. And this is a line of storms that we've always been watching for the last couple days. And they can throw out a lot of hail threat. But I think the wind threat's going to be very high today. Because there's huge echo tops. If you just take a look. We're starting to get into the darker reds today. And there has been at times some pink colors where that's over very strong echo tops today. So that never good when you have that. So we want to have to watch this line of thunderstorms. Very strong line of thunderstorms capable of producing tornado spin-ups. If you live in the warning, now's the time to seek shelters. Go to the lowest floor of the building and stay away from windows. So we'll pull it in velocity once again. Red next to green is still there, so we still have a tornado warning into around 3 o'clock this afternoon. And just checking. So far, we don't have any tornado that would. These could be small tornadoes, but we definitely want to take each warning seriously because we've been having several trees down with some of these storms. And I just think we got a new warning, but that's just making sure we don't have any new warnings. That one from Mississippi, but this line right here is going to be very strong. So let me check one more time before I take a break in a second. Since we're not having any damage reports coming in quite yet. It's just no debris, so that's some good news. But this line has some pretty strong echo tops in it. Very little wind shear, but the atmosphere is really going to change as we get into this afternoon. So we'll keep you updated. I'm just checking here on my phone. Severe thunderstorm watch is in place right now, and I'm just checking my phone to ensure we don't have any new mesoscale convections coming across here. Yeah, I just got something through my phone here. They might continue the severe thunderstorm watch. Just several supercells expected to explode into weak rotation. And this probably develop a tornado threat. I don't know if they'll go with a tornado watch or they just expand the thunderstorm watch. We'll just have to see what it goes, but we'll keep you updated. This is going to be several supercells that could form, and we'll keep you updated right now. I am Vice Forecaster JD Rapp. The reason why we're signing off because we don't really have any reports right now of any developments, so we'll keep you updated on the tornado warning.